My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the website Weatherlie. To be more correct, Weatherlie is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This particular extension called Weatherlie actually may operate as a browser hijacker because it may change your default search engine. Therefore, if this extension was found on your computer, you need to undertake the measures and to get rid of it. So access the menu, go to extensions, click on manage extensions, and then remove any junk extensions if you find them. I also recommend that you carefully research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.